This is Charlie playing with her mobile. She likes the little lion. She can move it. Spread out so you guys can see. Make it move. She talks to him every morning. Is he dancing for you? You're just precious. Make him dance. Tell him a story. What you doing? She got a cute outfit on today. Let me see the camera. You done? Do you want to see Charlie? Looky here. There's Charlie. Look at Charlie. There's Charlie. Do you see Charlie? No, you're not looking. There's Charlie. Should we get up? Let's go get Jamie out of bed. Should we go get Jamie out of bed? Yeah? Okay.